Welcome back, guys. So you guys voted last week. I made a poll on what should I cook next, and you guys voted. Chili cheese dogs won. So let's get into this. Okay, first things first, we're gonna add our chili to cook. Add our chili to get it warmed up. We're using Hormel chili, no beans. So this chili is probably one of the best chilies you can buy to make chili dogs. It's so delicious that you can buy already made. Now, of course, you could probably make your own and be bomb, but buying at the store, this is probably the best. Let's go ahead and add our dogs. Our dogs are they're easy. I mean, a little bit of Now the dogs that I'm using are the Herbal National All Beef Franks. Now that those are almost ready, we're going to do something different here. Got this triple cheddar. I'm going to put it down like that. Put our buns like that. Put our dog, close it up. Like that. Put our dog, close it up. We're going to add some mustard. Some chili. Okay, and some more cheese on top. And there we go. Alright, so here we have it. A nice little special twist. And let's see how good they are. This is probably one of the best chili dogs I've had. Hit that subscribe, check these videos out. See you guys next time.